This is Sarah from Comfort Sleep Systems, here to talk to you today about the Scape 2.0 Plus adjustable base by Leggett and Platt. Let's dive right in and see what this adjustable base has to offer. The Scape 2.0 Plus has a nice modern look, and the sleek upholstery used is made of a beautiful dark charcoal. This base has 2 articulation points on the head and the foot, so you can optimize your individual comfort by adjusting your head, foot, or both. This base features the Leggett and Platt wall hugger technology, meaning as the base goes up, it also tracks back to allow easy access to your nightstand. Additionally, there is also an emergency power down feature, meaning if there is a power outage, you can still get to the base in the flat position. On the sides of the base, there are 2 4-port USB hubs, one for each side. That's 8 USB ports. That's a lot of charging. It's there for easy access to plug in phones or electronics. There's also LED underbed lights on each side. The legs on the base are adjustable, an important feature so you can determine which height is best for you. These legs adjust from 6 inches to 10 inches. The base does feature a micro-hook retention system. However, we find that the retainer bar at the end of the base works best to really hold the mattress in place. The retainer bar still does come with the unit. If you like high-tech gadgets as much as stylish decor, you'll be thrilled to check out this remote. It is ergonomically designed to stand on the nightstand. It features programmable positions designed to fit your comfort needs, whether a custom sleep position, reading position, or TV position. Additionally, for easy access, hit the one-touch flat button to make the head and foot flat. For the ultimate in unwinding, this base has a massage feature available. You can adjust the intensity of the massage as well as the type of wave you prefer. The massage feature is great for those with arthritis or circulatory issues. Another huge advantage of the Scape 2.0 Plus is the app connectivity. You can download the Leggett and Platt app onto your Android or iPhone device. After that, pair the adjustable base with your phone and you can start using your phone as another remote. As you can see, you have access to inclining and declining the base, massage features, favorite positions, and child lockout. The Scape 2.0 Plus adjustable base really allows you to help create your perfect relaxation environment. In general, the function of the adjustable base adds many desirable benefits to sleep. They are great aids in pressure relief, acid reflux, sinus issues, snoring, back pain, and much, much more. Here at Comfort Sleep Systems, we make mattresses that pair very well with the adjustable bases. We have been manufacturing mattresses since 1939 for 4 family generations. Match the Scape 2.0 Plus base with one of our many mattresses. From latex to memory foam to inner springs, we have it all. Please feel free to check out the Scape 2.0 Plus on our factory showroom floor in Branford, Connecticut. If you are looking for more information on all the adjustable bases that we offer, click below. If you're looking for more information on Comfort Sleep Systems, please visit our website, comfortss.com. Thank you.